In this video, I'm going to show you a stupid simple method to find GoHighLevel clients fast. In fact, this is the exact same process that I use to find clients for my web hosting business. So watch this entire video if you want to learn a method that nobody is talking about. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so in this video, as I mentioned, we're gonna talk about how you can find GoHighLevel clients fast. As you know, or you may not know, GoHighLevel is a software as a service, which is relatively new, that people are using to start their own software company. Now, you can get started with GoHighLevel for free. I don't have an affiliate link to share with you, but you can get started for free for 30 days or so to build up your software business. And the cool thing with GoHighLevel is you can actually build a reoccurring business. That's a different story for a different day. But what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a real simple process. There's actually two ways that you can do it. You can do a free way, which we'll talk about, and then we can do a paid way, which I'll just mention briefly for people that have a few extra dollars to spend. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The only thing that you need is a library card. If you are in the United States, you can get a library card for free in most places. You might have to spend $1. It's worth the investment, but get a library card and you're going to use a website for free and find thousands of different clients. And this is going to be real simple. So once you have a library card and you have access to their online resources, you're going to look for a company called Reference USA or Data Exile. It was Reference USA, then they got hacked, and then they changed their name to Data Exile. Anyway, if you take a look at my screen, this is what we're looking for. As you can see, we can actually tap into 78 million businesses. Now, don't get overwhelmed. I'm going to show you how to do this real simple, real easy, and you're going to put money in your pocket. Anyway, we're simply going to click on US businesses. And now we can type in a company name if we wanted to, but we're going to go to advanced search. And with advanced search, we are going to kind of cherry pick who we want to work with. This is so cool, really easy. So we're going to come down to geography, and then we can look by zip code, county. We can do all sorts of stuff. What we're going to do is we're going to do county, okay? And then I'm going to select Cook County because that's Chicago, Illinois. So Illinois, we're going to go down to Cook County. We could select a bunch of them if we wanted to. Let's see where we are. There we go, Cook County, and then we're going to click on View Results. Now, as you can see, there are over 246,000 results. Okay. Now, the cool thing is now we have contact information. We have names of businesses. We can do all sorts of stuff, but wait, it gets better. What we can do is we can click on the term charts here, the button charts, and we can actually sort by different industries. Why is that important? You can actually build a website based on the industry and reach out to people. For example, if we wanted to, we could create a restaurant website and then demo that restaurant website to 9,000 businesses. We could reach out to them a few different ways, which we'll talk about, and we can get in front of a highly targeted group of people. Now, what a lot of people are teaching you to do with GoHighLevel is to pick a niche. Now, here you've picked a niche. There are 9,000 businesses that you can work with or try and harvest clients with. But if we click this, 9,000 clients, and now we can take a look. Now, this is where it gets really fun for you and for anybody. What you can do is you can download this into a Excel spreadsheet. The only drawback to Data Exile is that you can only do 25 at a time. So I'm going to check this box. I'm going to get 25 of these, and I'm going to click on download. So you're going to have to do this 25 divided by, 9,000 results. A lot of Excel spreadsheets, but you can put them all together. No big deal. All right. So we're going to click on download. Okay. And when we download, we want a detailed report. I'm going to tell you why in just a moment. And then we're going to click on download records. We could also do email, but we're doing this live and we're going to do download records. So when we click on download records, we are going to have all sorts of information. And this is where you're going to find clients really fast. You don't have to go door to door anymore. You don't have to do some of those other techniques that feel tedious. You just need to hop on the phone, and I'm going to tell you what you should say. So let's go ahead and open this. All right. And so this is what our Excel spreadsheet looks like. Now, here's the cool thing. We know who the executive's first name is. We know their address. We know their phone number. We know all sorts of stuff. Now, what I did when I ran my web hosting company is I could call people and say, hey, let me talk to Chris. And now I don't sound like a marketer or a telemarketer. I sound like a guy that knows the owner and say, let me talk to Chris. They say that usually the person that answers the phone is like a receptionist, or they're, just taking orders. And so they say, okay, hold on, let me get Chris. Real simple. That's tip number one. Number two, if we scroll through here, we can take a look, and this is why I love this. We can take a look at companies that have websites. So what you can do is open up each one of these. Okay, their website can't be reached. That might be an opportunity for you. Say, hey, look, did you know your website's not working? We can come down here, we can open up this one, and we can see if their website's any good. We can also take a look and see if they are missing things. Maybe they don't have a way to collect emails. So this website looks pretty good. It allows them to book reservations and so on. But what you could do is you can kind of just quickly look through here and make notes. So if I wanted to, the second one here, we could say, we could try and go for maybe email marketing like that. Just add a little bit of note, go down to the next one. If the next one doesn't have a website, okay, this one might not be very good. Add a note, and now we can talk about how we can market to them efficiently instead of just hoping and wishing. We can target a lot of these businesses that don't even have a website. So we could say, hey, look, did you know that your competitors, the 2-pound cake man, your competitors have a website and they're getting, 50,000 page views per month. 50,000 page views per month probably equals another $20,000 in their pocket. If you want $20,000 in your pocket, you need a website. Let me help you build that. But this is just one cool thing that you can do. If you scroll through, you can keep going here. They actually will have a list about how much they spend on technology every single month. That's helpful information. You can see what they do here. But another cool thing that you can set up for them is actually, look at this. So you can see the sales volume. So you can actually piggyback and target people that are actually making money. People that are making money can be a great source to make money because they have disposable money to spend. Obviously, if we keep scrolling here, what I'm looking for is, you can see square foot. You can see, their social media, which is really cool. Hours of operation, so that you can go in when they're open. If you want to do walk-ups, you can do that. But the way that I did this is on my lunch break, because I started my software company on my lunch break, or while I was a full-time software engineer. On my lunch break, I would print off a bunch of these different Excel spreadsheets, and I would make cold calls. And I did one other thing that I'll talk about in just a moment. But what I'm looking for is, some of these guys don't have any social media set up. Look at this. We could offer to create their Facebook page for them. We could offer to set up their Twitter account for them. And then that's value added services where you can charge more on a monthly basis. So if you want to start for free, which you can reach out to them via phone call. You can say, hey, look, your competitors have a website. Your competitors are doing email marketing and they're offering coupons. I want to offer you that as well because you have a superior product, but you're not getting in front of everybody. You're not maximizing the amount of money that you're making. Now, the second thing that I did is actually printed up these little postcards. Now, if we look at this, again, this was for my web hosting company. I simply made up a bunch of postcards and said, reach out to me. I'll offer you a 20% discount. And I did this with Vistaprint. You can do this relatively cheap with Vistaprint or some of the other companies out there, but you can see here, I offered a discount. I had my phone name, my phone number, and my website so that they could actually book clients. Now, the cool thing with this process is you will have people reaching out to you for weeks, months, and even in some cases years later. They'll save this postcard because it's oversized. This is going to require some money. The free way that I mentioned in the beginning, you just make phone calls, cold calls, or you can walk up. But again, if you're going to make phone calls, just say, hey, let me speak to Janet, for example, for Third Coast Cafe. Let me speak to Janet. They're going to put you on hold. Janet's going to pick up. You're going to say, hey, Janet, Alston here. I see that you don't have a website. Let me help you out with that, or whatever your marketing angle is. And you're going to pick up clients. It's really simple, real easy, but nobody knows this method. You, me, and maybe the 50 other people that watch this video, we know this secret tip. You're going to be able to maximize the amount of money you make. Now, if we go back over here, I just want to show you what you have to do. Again, unfortunately, the only drawback to this website is that you have to manually download 25 at a time. So you're going to have like a million different Excel spreadsheets, but I think that you should be targeting by industry. If you click on summary, you can see there's other stuff that you can look up. but this is such a cool process. Nobody knows about it. Okay. Share this with a friend, a family member, share this with your business partner, and you guys can devise a game plan where you can actually get clients and be successful and not just be someone else's affiliate commission. Now that you know this super secret tip, watch this video next because YouTube tells you it's going to help you grow your online business.